Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Bharti. Today we are going to do a pranayama practice that you can do throughout your pregnancy. Breathing practices are one of the safest and most powerful way to support your mind and body during pregnancy. They help improve oxygen flow, calm the nervous system, and prepare you for labor by teaching you how to remain relaxed and centered. We'll start with 4-6 breathing and then move on to Sheetali Pranayama, Nadi Shodhana Pranayama and Bhramari Pranayama. So once you're ready, let's gently hop onto the mat and get going. Let us start by coming into an easy cross-legged sitting position. You can prop a cushion or a yoga block under the hips to help you sit a bit taller. We'll just start with a quick warm-up so that we are able to sit more comfortably for the pranayama practice. So let's bring both the hands on either sides. As you inhale, extend both the arms up, interlacing the fingers at top and stretch up. Bring your chin down towards the chest, creating length in the spine. As you exhale, bring both the hands down, tilt your head back, looking up. Again, inhale, extending the arms up, looking down. Exhale, bring the hands down, looking up. Last time, inhale. Exhale down. And relax. Bring both the hands on the knees and we'll just start going in circles with the torso. Going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and reverse. Going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and come to center. Now let's tilt our head towards the left side and you can gently pull it down with the left arm, getting a stretch along the right side of the neck. For 3, 2, 1, release at the side. Bring the right hand down and let's roll the head back, taking it to the left, rolling it forward. Let's do 3 circles in this direction. Inhaling on the way back, exhale forward. Inhale back, exhale forward. And let's reverse. Keeping shoulders relaxed away from the ears. Last round. And come to center. Let's just roll the shoulders in backward direction for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and forward for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. Bring the left hand to the left side, extend the right arm up and bend towards the left. Keeping chest open, trying to keep the right hip down, grounded on the mat. For 3, 2, 1 at the side. 3, 2, 1 and come to center. Great. So now let's start our pranayama practice, starting with 4-6 breathing. So let's bring one hand on our belly, one on the chest and gently close our eyes. And let us just take a couple of normal breaths. Just bringing our attention to our breath. observing how our natural breath feels. Let us start by taking a deep breath in through the nose and slowly exhale out through the mouth. Again, inhale through the nose and slowly exhale through the mouth. As you inhale, imagine you're breathing in peace, calm, and joy. As you exhale, imagine letting go completely as your body relaxes. Again, inhale deeply, feeling your entire body filling with happiness. Exhale slowly through the mouth, letting the entire body relax. Keep going on. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One last time. Inhale. Exhale. And slowly bring the hands down and take a few normal breaths. Next, we are going to do Sheetali Pranayama, which is a cooling pranayama great for pregnancy and for preventing and getting rid of issues like acid reflux, heartburn. So for this, I'll give you two options. So normally in Sheetali, we inhale through our tongue and then exhale through our mouth. So you make a tube with your tongue. You're going to inhale through the tongue, bring the tongue in and exhale out through the nose. If you are not able to make this tube, we are going to bring the teeth together and inhale through the teeth and exhale out through the nose. Let's bring both the hands in Chin Mudra and place them on the knees and gently close our eyes. Let's bring either our tongue in the tube or teeth together. Last round. And relax. Observe the cooling effect of this pranayama in your tongue, Next, we are going to do Nadi Shodhana Pranayama or alternate nostril breathing, for which we are going to inhale from the left side, exhale right, inhale from the right side, exhale left. So let's bring the right hand in Nasagra Mudra by folding the ring finger and the little finger. Place the index and the middle finger at eyebrow center and close the right nostril with the thumb. Take a deep breath in from the left side. Close the left nostril, exhale from the right. Inhale right. And exhale left. Inhale left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale right. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale right. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale left. 4, 3, 2, 1. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Out. 4, 3, 2, 1. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Out. 4, 3, 2, 1. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Out. 4, 3, 2, 1. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep going on for 3 more rounds. Slowly exhale from the left side and bring the right hand down and take a few normal breaths. We are going to finish with 5 rounds of Bhramari Pranayama or the humming bee breath. For this, bring both the hands on either sides of the ears, closing the ears with the thumbs, and gently place the fingers over the eyelids. We are going to take a deep breath in through the nose and slowly exhale out through the nose, keeping the mouth closed, making a deep humming sound. Inhale. Keeping your eyes closed, slowly bring the hands down on the knees. Feel the effects of the practice on your entire mind, body, and soul. We'll finish the practice with an Om chant. Inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Slowly bring the hands together and let's start rubbing the palms to create heat in the palms. Gently place the palms over the eyelids, feeling the healing heat of the palms through the eyelids. Slowly bring the hands down and open your eyes. So I hope you enjoyed this session and you can incorporate it in your daily routine during your pregnancy. I'll see you with something new soon. Till then, take care, keep practicing, and bye-bye. If you found this helpful, check out my prenatal yoga program that will help you to stay active and pain-free throughout pregnancy and prepare for an easier birthing experience.